Ụmụ Biafra ekerekpere m unu. Asị m ka onye chi ya zere. Tata bụ afọ asị nke ọma onye ukwu mama onye nta mma. Biko gị bụ nwa Biafra, ihe ndị Biafra na-eme na-amasị. Biko ụmụ Biafra niile enyemaka unu. Ụmụ skuulu anyị niile enyemaka unu. Ha isi bikie eji ede ihe ha nidirie ha eji ede ihe n'akwụkwọ. N'ihi na nwata ama ị na-aga skuulu hafi inwe bik. Onye dị bik iwe na-edekwe n'ihe. So that ọrụ hụkwere nne na nna ya amara na ọ na-edete. Biko ni unu sọpọtụ ka ụmụ skuulu anyị nwetakwenye bik ndị a. Bik ndị mara mma a ga-eji wee dekwenye ha edetekwenye ọfụma. N'ihi na ihe anyị na-eme na ọ bụkwa ha egwuregwu, ọ bụkwa ha ga-akụzi naanị nọ n'ọkpọrọ. Ọ bụ ihe a ga na-ede a na-edekwana na-afị ya ka nne na nna anyị mara na anyị na-agada ụlọ akwụkwọ. Biko ni unu sọpọtụ ụmụ skuulu anyị ka anyị wee gote bik dị mkpa. Ọ bik ha eji enweta ihe a na-achọ. Ọ bụ sọsọ n'ọkpọrọ, ọ bụ sọsọ chọk. Anyị ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị dịrị bik na chọk dị oke a ga-eji ya na-akụzi ha na-amụrakwana na-ede. Biko otu ọbụla eji sọpọtụ ụmụ skuulu anyị ka anyị gote bik ndị mara mma ma ndị ka ndị a mma. Unu sọpọtụ ọ dị mkpa ka ụbọchị kịta mara unu mma ka onye chi ya zerekwe. Ndewone.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jix TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 14th of October 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jix TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, the Biafra Liberation Army are calling for help. They are calling for Igbos to support them, for all Biafrans to stand with them. You know, the person that made this call, although he speaks in Igbo, but I'm going to use general language like English to explain it for those of us that are not Igbos, so that they can be able to understand the exact thing they said in this video. They are calling for assistance. All the things they are saying here is the tools, they need tools. They need tools, you know, they need color, and they need the stuff that comes with color, you know, the granite, so that they can use it to protect the land of Biafra. That they need more help, that they need more support from Biafrans, both in diaspora and in other places, for them to assist them. That's exactly what they are calling, or they are saying here in this video. But it is indeed a very good thing that the Enugu forest guards, they are indeed working perfectly. They are doing their job well. I believe that since they were inaugurated, most of all these ugly news coming from that side has reduced. Let God be their strength, I'm telling you.
I'm not searching. You make sure everywhere they search.
This handsome man here is speaking the truth, telling the Igbos to stop sabotaging themselves, telling the Igbos to stop fighting themselves, telling the Igbos to be one, to work with themselves. That is the only way they can be able to achieve this common goal. Only if Igbos will listen. Just hear what this man said concerning Igbos and what is going on in the country at the moment.
Igbo people, I stand well on a day. My problem with Igbo, na Igbo they betray Igbo. Na only my problem with Igbo people. Na Igbo they betray Igbo. Because the way I see the country, na padi, na tribalism on the do. Make I tell on the truth. My next life I go be Igbo man. Today I be Igbo. Tomorrow I be Igbo. Next life I go be Igbo. Make sure I no carry Niger Delta come the separate us. South East, Niger Delta. Now Wazobia we see. Now Wazobia we be. All these South are political. Niger Delta are political. And I just use them to cause problem for us. We know. Nobody say we don't know. And I use them to cause wahala. Come they deceive us. River State man, they fight Igbo. Imo State man. River State man, they fight Anambra man. Warre man, they fight Enugu man. Now what will they see? Now him will go see. Biafra man, they fight Imo State man. See the politics. See problem with the court. They don't see Fulani fight Fulani. Go for or not. They don't see Fulani fight Fulani. If you soldiers where they go, say where they carry gun. If they say how they control them, when Fulani call, no shoot, no shoot. No do, drop your arm. No do, ceasefire. Or now they see them. You don't see Hausa fight Hausa. You don't see Yoruba fight Yoruba. Go Lagos State, you don't see Yoruba fight Yoruba. Now for East here, we they kill ourselves. Be wise, make on wake up. Make on wake up. No be when they don't kill us finish, they go come capture us. No be when they don't kill us, they go come hold us for hand. East be wise. East be wise. I don't know why we know they wise. It diverts me.
These young men here called on the people of Igbos to come out and join this protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. According to them in this video, they say that this protest has nothing to do with IPOB. Nobody should come out with any placard writing IPOB. Nobody should even come out with any Biafran color of a thing, so that it will be a peaceful and a quiet protest in Abuja that will be able to reduce unnecessary casualties. I believe what he said here is simple and the truth. Although some, yes, because most of the traders in Abuja is even saying that they will join that protest, that they are going to close their shops, that they are going to come out on that protest day, which is 20th of October, that they will surely join that protest.
Ụmụnne asị onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche. Ọ na-eche ndụ ya nche. Ihe ji na-ekwu okwu ahụ unu mana 20th of October the sacrosanct.
Yes, sir.
All the sacrosanct.
Yes.
Maka the protest, peaceful protest, peaceful.
Yes.
Protest a na-aga ime for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Mana enwere ihe m chọrọ igwu unu. Onwe m chọrọ igwu unu. Onye ya na ndị iro na-eri ya na ekwensu na-erikọ ihe. Ọ na-eji ngaji ogologo. Protest a wo international protest. Enwecha ndị shi abroad na-abịa agbadata Nigeria. Ọbụna unu ihe Showore kwuru. The convener of this protest will Showore.
Yes, sir.
All Showore is an international protest.
Yes, sir.
Owoge IPOB protest. At all. Owoge IPOB protest.
Yeah.
And when you got fly flag that day.
Yes,
and when you can fly flag. Get with a flag, lay far everywhere. And when you do to I try ya. Mokwa give them brandish way color uniform. Red, blue, red, black, and yellow. And when you do to and when you do to only Bobola. Now who feed that? I talk to Sasia. I say give you me toss. Emekwala. Onye say give me toss emele. Emekwala.
Ọkụkọ ọhụrụ ga na-abụ ọkwa ya na-achị ọchị. Abọcha ọkwụzụ ewere ọkụkọ mezuo.
Mezuo. And when this say give me toss, on here my people na-egwu. Say give me toss to fight against ndị na-aga ime protest. Emekwala. Emekwala. Maka na information anyị na-enweta na awụ ị ga-ahụ ndị ga-apụta to be anti-protesters.
Yes.
A ga-akpọ gị dịka ka ị wụrụ tọg. So that in protest, peaceful protest, Showore haziri. Maka anyị niile ma ndị Igbo ma ndị Hausa ma ndị Yoruba ka ha bịa mebie ya. Ka isi gị baa ya. Ekwekwala. Ekwela. Aflyela kọlọ. Nkwuolu ya. Emene gịnị? Aflyela kọlọ.
Ụmụnne ka anyị were uche na-eme n'ihe a.
Ka anyị were uche mee ya o.
Ka anyị were uche. Ọ tọrọ nwa ma ya mara. Atọrọ nwa ofeka.
Ọ wụrụ na ịhụ anyị. Ị ga-alaiki anyị. Ị ga-alaiki anyị.
Ọ egwuregwu.
Ndị be anyị ekele egwu. Daalụ. Nke onye chiri ya zere. Ndị Igbo nọ n'ime azụ ana m ekele unu. Ọ mụ a eke echibeze chime. Ofu onye Enugu steeti. Ọtago. Egbe a na-agba n'Igbo. Ọtago ya ọkala obi. O nwere village on Igbo. It's a shame for all the whole Igbo people na anyị bụ ndị Igbo nọ n'ụwa bụ onuo ọ bụrụ onye Yoruba bidoro anyị protest nwanne anyị nwoke because of Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ bụrụ onye Yoruba bidoro anyị protest nwanne anyị nwoke because of Nnamdi Kanu. Na onye Hausa gba ya aja n'ukwu support onye ọfụma by our city. So now is the somebody who comes because of protest. Or do whole job or for that protest. Come to protest here. Or make it on our the war. I think we will support Oya. Open now the whole market now Lagos State. Open now the whole market now the whole Nigeria. You want in amateur because of this protest. I'm going to shame for the whole Igbo people. Open now the whole chairman. Every meeting, make for 1 day. There's not of Latin Nnamdi Kanu. I'm going to give them food. Because Nnamdi Kanu is one of the million. The whole Africa knows Nnamdi Kanu. The whole world knows Nnamdi Kanu. Therefore, the last bed, sit at home. All the whole market of Nigeria is supposed to shut down. Because, one, if your mama started a lion, after man supported him, now you a people man, you want to go and open your shop. They go for that shop, come to you. Who you go home? Who you come and go to? Who you come and go listen to you? Therefore, my brothers, all the whole chairman, please, I'm Ayo seek. Let's not often Nnamdi Kanu. 1 day closing market. God bless all of us. The whole Nigeria, market on it. I don't want to market. To the faith. Also, who will the whole Nigeria? I beg in the mighty name of Jesus. God bless you.
But hear what Ikenga Uruagu said in this video. Ikenga Uruagu is even asking them never to try that they should remember that what Wike did to Biafrans in Igbo and what happened to the rest of them. Just listen to what Ikenga told the Igbos in Abuja not to come out for that protest.
My name is Mazi Omoyele. We are asking the Nigerian government led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu to do the right thing. Yes. By granting Nnamdi Kanu total unconditional freedom. Not a single condition can be attached to it.
My name is Ikenga, and I want to speak to my people. You see these people, Aloy Ejimako, Maso Elobala, and Showore. Don't allow these people to put you in trouble. Do you know what these people are trying to repeat? The repetition of Obibo. You people knew what happened in Obibo during the time of Wike as a governor. You knew what happened. That's exactly what these people are trying to bring back. They are trying to start sit at home in Abuja and the Lagos. If you allow yourself to be lured into this, you are going to cry bear. You are going to cry like goats. You know, you people are used to crying. You know, you people are used to crying. Every time crying. Hey, look at what they are doing to Igbo. Because that's what you people are going to start very soon. Don't allow these people to put you in trouble. The person they are going to protect for is facing terrorism charges. And the case is pending in court. What they ask them to do is to open their defense. Instead of them to open their defense, they are applying delay tactics. So, you are now protecting for the High Court to say, oh, they no go join the case again or what? Go and ask people who protested or demonstrated or celebrated during Donald Trump, the first tenure. They just came out of jail a few months ago. Go and ask them. If in Jabari Bona, show already ago. Also, nyama ya apụta mana gịnwa bụ onye ya emechi shop uji so ndị anyị sụzụgharị ha ọ gịnwa ga-anọ in trouble. Jee jụọ ndị pụtalụ Donald Trump win election how many years ago? 8 years ago, more than 8 years ago. Ha gbapụta si na ha ji ime celebration agbụkọrọ ha katawo n'ime nga or just few months ago, capital. Had almost 9 years. Imenga. Oborozia. Don't wait till Wike Jeba Abuja. Remember who Wike is, the landlord of Abuja, with his friend, the president of Nigeria, Jagaba. Who you people are going to protest for? Hotel Jagaba Noko. Who you people are going to protest for? Say Butisi Wike. Nyaya 100 million. And remember, Ifo about Shetima. Now, Shetima on Abuja as vice president. Weekend on Abuja as the landlord. Then Tinubu on Abuja as the president. Is in energy protest for anybody enemy. If Njaburu no sooner you start crying, oh Yoruba, look at the way they are treating the Igbo. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. This pending case. Allow the court to do the right thing. This pending case, and you are going to protest. If you close shop to go and protest, you may come back, that your shop will not be yours again. Mark my word. If only you will return. I know why I'm telling you, don't let Showore deceive you people. I told you people that one of the challenges we suffered during the time of Muhammad Buhari was because of this nonsense. Signed, sealed, and delivered. And you people have started again. Any government that comes on board, they will want to sideline you people from that person. That's not how to do politics. So. That's not how to do politics. You must always be included. You must always be at the center. Don't allow somebody, they will turn it to Igbo. Waiting consigning Igbo with the person who is facing terrorism charges. Waiting consignment. The time the same person they insult Igbo, this individual never advised him to stop. And today, he's facing charges. They want you to come out and protect him. What about his victims? Who is going to protect for them? Who is going to protect for Chika Kunyere? Who is going to protect for Biola Basmelo? Who is going to protect for KDOK? Who is going to protect for the soldier woman and the husband who was died because of somebody's ideology? What about Ahmed Golak? Who is going to protect for them? Make una respect on yourself.
Thank you, fans. Thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV. We remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Let there be peace in Biafran land. Yes, you. Bye.